Today I'll be showing you how to use the miter or chop saw. First we'll go over some safety. You always want to make sure you're wearing your safety goggles. These are thicker than regular lab goggles and they'll prevent pieces of wood or other materials from breaking off and breaking the plastic of the goggles. You never want to wear any loose clothing or jewelry. They might get caught in the blade and cause serious injury. Make sure the guard is always down and in place. If it's not, you want to unplug the saw and fix it, including whenever you fix the blade or make any repairments to the saw itself, you always want to make sure the saw is unplugged and powered off. When cutting something, your hands always must be at least 4 inches away from the blade so that you do not chop any fingers off. And this is a double bevel miter saw, so it can lean 2 ways. So in order to use the bevel, you push this up, and this is allowed to rotate. In the back, we have the degree of the angle, which will change. And if you want to cut at a different degree, you pull this out and it puts it back that direction. You can also change the horizontal cut by putting up this lever, pushing here, and moving left or right. As you can see here, it changes the horizontal degree of the cut. It does move back and forth, so you can change the width of the item you are cutting, but that is a limitation. If it's wider than the actual length of the train, then you are not able to cut it. Another limitation would be the material. You don't want to cut anything metallic with this saw. The blade's not meant for it. Before you make the cut, you want to make a clear line, which will indicate where the cut will happen. This saw does have a laser. The switch is on the top here. However, it's easily uncalibrated, and it shows, as you can see here, the laser is behind the actual blade, so it'll not be where the actual cut is taking place. Before you make the cut, you want to make sure the blade lines up with your pencil mark, or if the laser is calibrated, lines up with the laser. It's always good to have at least one of the other, if not both. And then you let it go all the way up. You push in this lever here, and then pull back right here behind the handle. You want to allow the blade to get to full speed before you try to make the cut.